babies, it's your girl Serious coming at you with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell their mama and them, tell their neighbors and them, and their partners and them, and their baby mamas and their baby daddies and them. That we litty over here. Hold on, let me fix my little chunky arms. And okay. And y'all know I had my situation. I told y'all my nail is on FMLA until further notice. So y'all seen my Temu hauls or haul, depending on when the videos come out. Child, I done did it again. Friend. So I wanted to try their perfumes. Hold on, y'all. I wanted to try their perfumes. You know that they have basically inspired by, like Glossier. I'm guessing, I don't know, just guessing. So I was just like, why not try their perfumes, see what they hitting for. I've seen review videos on YouTube of their perfumes, so I decided to get a few. I got some coming in on the way. So I got this, and this Lost Cherry. Now we're gonna say this one for last, because y'all know when we did the AliExpress one, those Tom Ford dupes smell like skunk spray. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a comparison. Two of these I have the real version. I don't have Tom Ford, so we just gonna be whatever. So first we're gonna go with this. This is the Bodifin. It's in the 2.5 fluid ounces Eau de Toilette. This is supposed to be a dupe for the old school Gucci, this one. I know it got handprints on it. Disgusting, I know. And y'all remember when I first got this, I forgot where I purchased this from. I think it was like Walgreens or something. And I had got it for low, like it was on sale. And then they had another son. I had got 2 mini ones. Of course, my mom wanted one. So I only got these 2. And I'm just like, you can't find this. And if you find it online, they taxing you. It's like ridiculous. So when I was on Temu on one of my late nights looking, y'all look at this. This is the dupe and this is the real one. Oh, these handprints look, I'm sorry, I'm not disgusting, I promise y'all. And this is the real one that I have. Yeah, this is 2.5 fluid ounces. I don't know why this one look a little bigger. I don't know. So we about to see. I don't got my little paper I be having, so I'm just gonna paper towel. So I already know what the real one smell like. As a matter of fact, we're gonna spray dupe. I'm gonna spray a little bit for the real one. Real dupe. Smells good. It's the real one. Now let me get the dupe one a chance to find its way. Y'all, hold on now. I'm getting excited. Hold up. Wait a minute. I'm happy. Because if my nose is smelling what my nose is feeling, I'm going to go cop me another one. So hold on. Let me get the adrenaline, let me let it pump down some. Dupe. Real. It is 90% smells the same. 90%. And that's no cap. That's no cap. If y'all don't believe me, and this was only, it was under 10 because they had several like vendors This was like $8 or $9. And once again, it's Badafin. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. Y'all, it looked like this. Cop this. If you have this and you can't find this nowhere, go cop this. This is definitely similar. Even the packaging, the sides are similar. Where you can see the juice. Y'all, I'm happy. Because now I can save this and use this. I'm going to keep that there. Wow, I'm excited. I don't got no, well, I don't need no coffee beans because I'm not about to be smelling a lot of perfume. Because, you know, after you smell a lot of perfume, you make your hair hurt. So we got this one. This one is from Mama Wear. Hold on, let me make sure Mama Wear ain't texting me. Hold on, let me check. Okay, no. So y'all, I got this one from Mama Wear. We got this one. And this is supposed to be a dupe for Daisy. I didn't know which one to get because they had two separate ones. So hopefully this is the right one. I don't think it is. Uh-oh. So this one is from Mama Rear. This is hers. I had got this for her birthday. This is the Daisy Love, Marc Jacobs. So sweet. So we got this from Temu. This is Flower Love. Oh, this might be the same. This is in the size, I don't know. It's a 30 ml. Maybe that's like a 1.7. Probably not. I don't know. Math wasn't my strongest subject, so I don't know. So I'm only spraying a little bit of Mama Rear's. So we got the real one. And this actually smells good. It does smell sweet though. Spray a little bit. A little bit. So we got real dupe. I'm not a fan of this Daisy, but I don't know. It might be somebody out there. Like my mom, she loves it. But I tell her to spray it sparsely because that's the big boy. Okay, so this is the real. I think we have another 90%er. Oh my goodness, that smells like real. Okay. It smells very similar. And I thought I had got the wrong one because they had another one that looks like this, but this flower part was pink. So maybe, I'm not sure which one that one is, but this is Flower Love and it says Daisy Love. So y'all, it smells very similar. Even if it is maybe the pink one would probably be more sweeter, but this one smells like definitely like very close. So y'all, this is Flower Love. Definitely check that out. Y'all know I won't steer you wrong. So I left this one as the last one. Y'all, if it smell like skunk, like them last ones did, I got rid of them. I threw them away. Them 3 ones, I think, what was it? I know it was cherry. Whichever 3 ones I got, them things stank. And I know y'all remember those. They stank very bad. So people been saying this is a dupe for Lost Cherry. I like cherry smells, so it's Lost Cherry, 50 mil. It's 1.7. Okay, so this is a 50 and that's a 30. So that's probably like a 1. This is 1.0. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce. So the bottle is definitely duping. It's like a big thick nail polish. So we have the Lost Cherry by, what does this say? Chuckson Chucks and Laren. I don't know. Some people were saying it smelled like window cleaner. We don't know. Here we go. And these have some strong, powerful sprayers. Okay. Okay. That smells good. It doesn't smell like skunk piss. Wow. Hold on. Let me. And everybody's hands go up and they stay there. Up, down, up, down. Let's see. I definitely smell cherry. It's not too sweet. Yeah, it's not. Hold on, does it smell like daisy still? It's not too sweet, but it definitely has a cherry undertone ish, but it's not strong. Very subtle. As far as the wear power, because I just got these with any dupe, y'all, even with Dossier, you're going to have to freshen up. So some might last longer than others, like a real perfume, or some you might have to carry along with you in every, couple of hours. Just go about your day. But as far as wear time, just with dupes, just take it with you and freshen up. That's all I'm gonna tell you. But this cherry one, it definitely smells like cherry. Definitely, I'm liking this. This was like, let me not bother y'all. I have my phone right here. Hold on. Let's check the scoreboard real quick. All right, now go back. I don't know why it's taking me. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So this one was $8.54. This one was $9.89. And this one was $11.69. So this one was the most. So yeah, y'all, that's not bad for 3 perfumes. Not bad at all. And they're dupes. They're cheaper than Dossier. So, maybe if you want to try something that's a little bit more or way more affordable than Dossier, because theirs range from like 29, was like 39, 49, 59, like that. These are all under 15 bucks. So it's just, I ain't gonna say all of their perfumes are like, a go. I do have a handful more, I think, coming. And I kind of have like a compare and contrast because I have the real ones and the dupe ones. So as far as these ones, I would say these are definitely a 9 out of 10 or a 90 out of 100 when it comes to comparing it to the real thing. So I would definitely, purchase these. Definitely. They don't smell like skunk piss. Alright, hold on, y'all. Hold on. So here we go. The Temu. So yeah, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm definitely excited because I don't have to use my good stuff. I can just use my dupe stuff. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye!